The ATM business and the marijuana business. What? Do they make a beautiful couple? That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hey guys, my name is Carey Buck. I have been an ATM business owner operator for 9 years now, and I've been teaching people just like you how to start and grow a profitable ATM business to generate passive income for the rest of your life. I've been doing that for 7 years now with my signature training, ATM Business Blueprint, which of course got a makeover August of 2017. And we got ATM Business Blueprint 2.0 out now. So I want to tackle this question and this situation that arises a lot lately with several states making marijuana, medical and recreational marijuana legal. Okay, so of course a lot of these locations are cash only. Okay, and cash only spots are awesome spots for ATM business owners to put their ATMs in. Okay, so you automatically think, oh, I'm gonna put my ATM in a marijuana dispensary, right? Great thinking. Okay, and what I do want to tell you about the ATM business and the marijuana business is that yes, you will probably make a shit ton of money putting your ATM in a marijuana business, in a marijuana dispensary. Okay, you probably will. However, you want to weigh the risk and the reward. What do I mean by that? Well, even though there are states that medical and or recreational marijuana is legal, federally, our federal government says it's illegal. Okay? And that is a big deal. That's something you need to keep in mind. Our federal government says it's illegal. Marijuana is illegal. Okay? Even if you're in a state that legalized it. The federal government says, that shit's illegal. Okay? Why is that important to you? It's important to you as an ATM business owner because if you're like, you know what? This can make me a shit ton of money. I'm going to put my ATM in a marijuana dispensary. I'm going to do it. Okay, do it. Go for it. Just know the risks. Okay, and these are the risks. Since it is still federally illegal, if I would say most processors out there, most above board processors out there that will be processing your ATM transactions, and you cannot be in the ATM business if somebody's not processing, a business is not processing your ATM transactions. If a reputable processor out there finds out that your ATM is in a marijuana dispensary, guess what happens? Your ATM will be shut down. What? Yeah. Don't matter if your ATM was making you $500 a month, $1,000 a month, $3,000 a month. It doesn't matter how much money your ATM was making in that marijuana dispensary. If your processor finds out that it's a marijuana shop, they will shut it down. Why? Because it's federally illegal, okay? Doesn't matter that some states made it legal, okay? What matters is that a processor or an ISO has what's called a sponsor bank. A sponsor bank. So they can't be an ISO, which is an independent sales organization. You don't know what that is. Find my ATM video vocab to go over that. Okay. The ISO can't be an ISO and process all these transactions for folks unless they have a sponsor bank. And that's a bank putting themselves on the line. Okay. So when your money comes back, right, the sponsor bank is in charge of holding that money until it gets dispersed to your ATMs, and your surcharges come in. The sponsor bank is holding that money until it gets dispersed to your account. Okay, so the sponsor bank does not want to mess with the federal government. Does that make sense? Because the sponsor bank does a lot of banking in the world, and they are not going to mess with the U.S. government. So if something is illegal, they nix it. Oh, you're making money? Oh, great. The ISO process, everybody's making a shit ton of money. What? It's in a marijuana shop? Cut that ATM off. That is one of the risks with placing ATMs in marijuana dispensaries. Okay? Now, if it ever happens one day, the federal government says, oh, you know what, medical marijuana is legal. Well, then that risk goes away. It doesn't matter anymore because it's legal, right? It's like selling cigarettes or alcohol, okay? But until that day happens, which I really don't see that ever happening under the Trump administration, by the way. But until that day happens, just know if you want to place your ATM in a marijuana dispensary, there may come a time where that $3,000 a month or $2,000 a month or $1,000 a month ATM is making you zero because your processor shuts it down. Okay? That makes sense? You know, you get the truth from me. The truth, this is the truth bomb right here, the truth machine, okay? So that is, you just have to weigh the risk and the reward. You know, if you ask me, would I put my ATM in a marijuana dispensary? Yeah, I would. I'm okay with the risk versus the reward, or the reward versus the risk, right? I feel like the reward is higher than the risk. But I also have a shit ton of other ATMs making me a shit ton of passive income every month. So if this one ATM gets shut down, that's okay. I'm still going to go on living my life. I'll just pick it up and move it somewhere else. Okay? If all you have is an ATM in marijuana dispensaries and they all get shut down, you're screwed. You're screwed. Okay? So you need to have a better plan. Okay? Don't just count on the marijuana dispensaries for your ATM business. Okay? I hope this makes sense. All right? Again, I don't want to scare you away from marijuana dispensaries, but you need to know the truth when it comes to ATMs and the marijuana dispensary business, okay? You need to know the truth. I don't care whether you think marijuana should be legal or not. I don't care whether you smoke pot or not. I could care less. And guess what? Your sponsor bank could care less, and the federal government could care less, okay? What you need to know is the laws and the rules and what happens if your ATM gets caught or you get caught, okay? All right, hopefully that makes sense. If you have any questions, post them down below. Do not forget to like this video, guys. There's a little ATM machine right here or right here. God, one day, you know what? I'm going to put a big, next time I make a video, I'm going to have a big freaking sign right on my wall so I know which way to point because I know which way the damn ATM machine is going to be. So click that ATM machine to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video down below. Click the thumbs up button, all right? And above, I will actually put a link to, I'm going to make it appear right now, the link to what is an ISO. Yeah. And then at the end of this video, I'm going to have a link to my ATM playlist. So you can see all the videos in my ATM playlist and learn about the ATM business in general. All right. So I hope that made sense. I hope that gave you a little more clearer understanding of the ATM business and the marijuana dispensary business and how the two can be a perfectly married couple, but then they might end up getting divorced, you know? So that's a risk reward thing. You have to weigh that personally, and you have to make sure you have a backup plan just in case. All right, guys, have a great day. I'll talk to you soon. I want to offer you to come to my free group, cashflowhackers.com. Okay, that is a group for passive income seeking entrepreneurs. And what is a cash flow hacker? It is someone who legally and ethically generates enough passive income cash flow that they do not need a paycheck from a 9-to-5 job to live their lives and pay their bills. Guys, I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. And may you live happily off of passive income.